Greetings from the Office of International Services, OIS, in the Division of Human Resources. My name is Jean Saunders Blanks. I've served as the Director of OIS since 2018. My colleagues are Doris Robinson and Beth Tilley. Our team serves all units across the university system that have non-U.S. citizen employees, affiliates, and sponsored visitors per policy HR 1.25. Here's a summary of the primary ways that we serve the USC community. For units that are seeking tenure track or professional track faculty and grant-funded research staff candidates from a global talent pool, we provide quick guides with best practices on our website For Departments page. Welcome to the OIS website. Under International Services, you'll find a page dedicated to For Departments. In the middle of the page, you can find quick guides under the Purpose drop-down menu here. For example, click on each link for tenure track faculty, professional track faculty, research staff, international visitors, and affiliate appointments. When a non-U.S. citizen who needs sponsorship for employment authorization is selected for a position, OIS provides expert analysis to determine the best immigration strategy for that position and that candidate. We also work closely with Global Carolina, International Student and Scholar Support, for cases that are eligible to participate in the U.S. Department of State Exchange Visitor Program, also known as the J-1 visa. Those are typically postdoctoral fellows and academic research affiliates and so forth. OIS also coordinates employment-based immigration casework, such as H-1B temporary work permits, with our legal services provider. We also verify that someone with a temporary U.S. work permit is compatible with the position being offered to them at USC. And finally, we facilitate the onboarding process for non-U.S. citizen employees in partnership with HR, payroll, and the hiring unit. For units that wish to invite non-U.S. citizens as sponsored visitors, or to offer affiliate appointments to non-U.S. citizens, OIS provides quick guides and templates on our website to help units complete the process smoothly and in connection with other policies and procedures. We also partner closely with our colleagues in human resources, such as class and comp, service teams, benefits, and with many other offices across the USC system, from Access and Opportunity to Civil Rights and Title IX, and others, to deliver specialized training, consultations, and more to the USC community. We will soon be developing some new trainings and Q&A sessions on topics of frequent interest based on feedback from our units. Please contact us at ois@sc.edu with any questions. Thanks.